Bago tayo magsimula, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong videos at mga updates. Hi everyone, and so welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so for today's vlog natin, mag-unbox tayo ng dalawang phones.
Sana all.
Yes, dalawang phones. Pero hindi sa akin yung isa. So these are the two phones na i-unbox natin. So first we're going to unbox this Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So, tinatawag daw itong FE dahil ito ay fan edition. Request daw ito ng mga fans na gumawa ng special edition.
Really?
And tada! Ginawan talaga ng Samsung. So, ito yung package niya. Medyo bright. Yan. So, now, we're going to check what's inside the box. So, first is actually, guys, it's always the phone. So this is how the Samsung look like. Yeah.
Wow.
So actually, yung color na napili namin is color Mystic Green. So this is how Mystic Green looks like sa phone for the Samsung. Actually, napaka-light niya at magaan lang and convenient siyang dalhin. So parang ka-size na siya ng iPhone 7 Pro.
Really?
And pag open namin sa Samsung, na-surprise kami dahil ang Samsung din pala ay wala na ring adapter just like the iPhone.
Nope.
So after the phone, ang makikita mo is yung adapter. Actually, na-check na to kaya yan, magulo na tingnan. Aside from the adapter, yung inside dito is the manual na yan, opener para sa SIM card. So guys, pasensya na dahil supposed to be dito namin ito i-unbox sa bahay, like literally unbox, pero nagsuggest kasi sa amin yung mga staff doon sa store na binilbilhan namin ng phone na kailangan daw nila i-check, mas nai-recommend nila dahil yung advantage is in case na may defect, nag-malfunction yung item, agad-agad nilang ma-replace yung item.
Really?
Depende talaga sa damage. Hindi na lang namin yun ni-risk, so
Oo nga naman.
pinatingin na lang talaga namin. At the same time, less hassle na din sa part namin. Guys, moving on, dito na naman tayo sa ating phone.
Say what?
iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, this is my new phone. It's been 5 years since nag-change ako ng bagong phone.
Kachar, good anak ba yun?
Actually, hindi nasira yung old phone ko.
Eventually.
Medyo nasira lang. Ano ba talaga? Okay. So, actually, may mga defects na napansin doon sa old phone ko. However, hindi ko pa siya kayang i-give up dahil need ko pa yung space niya for storage. This is my choice of color. This is Sierra Blue, which is only available in iPhone 13.
Okay, kayo.
iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, this is the package of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yan. This is 128 gigabyte. Okay, so guys, let's open. Upon opening the box, okay guys, so buksan na natin yung item. So, first mo makikita talaga is yung phone.
I'm impressed.
So, actually, na-open na namin ito. Yan, so, okay, so yun, and this phone. So let's turn it on. I just have to push two buttons, the left and the right, to open. And on the side, it's very shiny. Actually, one time nakatingin ako, klaro-klaro yung pores ko. So dito naman tayo sa likod banda ng phone.
Pag-chordera ba?
Yan. So dito lumilitaw talaga yung kulay niya.
Very nice.
Yan. So, klarong-klaro. Yung likod niya. Ganyan. Ang kanyang camera. This is how the camera look like for iPhone 13 Pro Max. Para siyang matte finish.
Amazing.
Next, dito na naman tayo. So, after the phone, yung ano lang, itong cable for charging. Yes, wala na yung adapter. Iba na pala dahil Type-C na to the adapter. Aside from this, wala na ring headset. And next is, ito yung as usual, maliit na manuals and inside, and sticker. So, yun lang yung box. Ito, realization lang to ha. For the size difference, mas maliit naman talaga yung Samsung compared to iPhone Pro Max. So, medyo mabigat lang siya but not really heavy. No? So, waterproof pa rin yung phone na to. And guys, also, in terms of the Apple ID, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin to your new phone. So, bale, if you are still using your old phone, you can still use the same Apple ID from your old phone to your new phone. Parang magsisync lang talaga sila. So, another thing that interests me about this unit is the cinematic shot. I haven't tried it yet. I have to discover more about iPhone 13, mga shortcut keys, mabuting i-set dito para sa accessibility. So guys, hindi na ako mag-dwell further para sa mga specific information regarding the phone because I'm not really that informative because I haven't researched and I didn't have enough time to check. So guys, that's all for today. Isang short unboxing video lang for the two phones. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo watching my video. I know na this is not your first time watching unboxing videos, especially phones and gadgets. I really appreciate you all and I hope to see you all again para sa ating next vlog. Also, if you have some comments and suggestions or para sa mga next content natin, para sa next vlog, you may comment down below and tignan natin. Sana kakayanin natin. So that's it guys. So again, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong videos and updates. Bye-bye!